Hello, today I discuss about common mechanical hand tools used in normal life. First, this type of screwdriver has two heads. This is called Phillips head and this head is called slotted head. It is used to tight or loose any screw. These are hammers. I have two type of hammer. One is ball peen hammer because it has a ball peen. It is a ball peen hammer. And it is a claw hammer because it has a special head. It has a special head. By this special head we can remove any nail from wood. This is called a claw hammer. These hammers are used to hammering. These are called adjustable wrench. These are called adjustable wrench. I have two type of wrench. One is normal adjustable wrench. It is used to tight or loose any nut or bolt. It called adjustable wrench because it has a adjustable jaw. And this is another type of wrench. It is called pipe wrench. It is used to tight any pipe joint. These are called pliers. Here are three type of plier. This is called nose plier because it has a nose. It is called combination plier because it used to many purposes. It is used to as a gripper, as a wire cutter. These are wire cutter. In this and this side also you can cut the wire. This is a combination plier. This is called combination plier. And this is a wire cutter plier. This is a wire cutter plier. By this plus you can cut the wire. This is a puncher or punching machine. It has one punch and one die. By the help of this you can punch anything like this. These are called box wrench. This box wrench also used to tight or loose any nut or bolt. This type of box wrench are used in automobile sector. This called are spanner. Here is the numbers. 12, 13 is the spanner number. This spanner also used to tight or loose any nut or bolt. This called file. These are triangular file. This is a triangular file, big size. This is a small size triangular file. This is a half round file. Here is a half round file. These files are used to scrap or rub any rough surfaces. This is called chisel. This is called chisel, but it is used to cut wood or plastic by hammering. By the help of hammer like this. These are called ring wrench. These are called ring wrench. This also ring wrench used to tight or loose any nut or bolt. And this is called hacksaw. This hacksaw is used to cut anything. I have two type of hacksaw. Here is another type of hacksaw, but the blade is missing. Here is the blade. Thank you watching my video.